Marriage is like being on a construction site. And since I was born, I've never seen a clean construction site before. It's always a work in progress. There's sand there, there's dust, there's chippings, there's cement, there's nails, there's hammering, there's concrete mixing. I've never seen a construction site that is clean, that there's nothing there. The same with marriage. You have to be prepared for your feet, your hands to be dirty. You have to be prepared to be inconvenienced by the hammering of the nail into the wall. You have to be prepared for so many things that construction comes with, because marriage is under construction. It's not something that is already made like this hall and then you just enter. No. You are bringing the raw materials to build what you want to have.